Welcome to episode 9 of the Codex training series. Today we are talking about safety and permissions. The more useful an agent becomes, the more important control becomes. Codex can read files, edit files, run commands, open browsers, create assets, and sometimes connect to external services. That is powerful. It also means you need boundaries. This episode is about how to let Codex do real work while keeping the work inspectable, reversible, and approval gated. Here is the capability in plain language. Safety in Codex is not one button. It is an operating discipline. You combine workspace scope, permission settings, clear prompts, Git checkpoints, and private data hygiene. The goal is not to stop the agent from acting. The goal is to make every action bounded and reviewable. When you can see the workspace, the files, the command output, the diff, and the final evidence, you can move faster without losing control. Step 1, scope the workspace. Watch the top of the workbench. Before Codex edits anything, confirm the current folder and the part of the project it is allowed to touch. This matters in real repos because one prompt can affect more than you intended. A strong safety prompt starts with location. Here's the workspace. Here are the folders in scope, and here are the folders that should not be changed. If the workspace is wrong, stop before the first edit. Step 2, state the boundary in the prompt. Do not rely on the agent guessing your intent. Say it directly. Only edit files in this folder. Do not publish anything. Do not use private data in demo content. Do not send email or call external services unless I approve it. That kind of language gives Codex a clear operating lane. It also gives you something to audit when you review the final evidence. Step 3, pause on approval-sensitive actions. If a connector can send email, publish a post, deploy code, spend credits, change account settings, or call a zap, that is not a routine edit. That is an approval moment. In the walkthrough, the action is visible and the status is paused. This is the habit. Codex can prepare the payload, draft the message, or build the release, but the external action waits until you approve it. Step 4, review before accepting. Look at the changed files, the diff, any generated assets, and the command output. Confidence is not evidence. Evidence is a file path, a diff hunk, a test result, a screenshot, a log line, or a final link. During review, ask Codex to summarize exactly what changed and what did not change. If the answer is vague, ask for the evidence again. Step 5, use Git as your checkpoint. Start from a known status, review the diff stage intentionally, and commit only after review. This is especially important when Codex touches a real application. Git gives you a map of what happened and a path back if the change is wrong. The checkpoint is not bureaucracy. It is how you keep fast agent work from becoming untraceable work. Step 6, be careful with connectors and private data. Connected tools make Codex more useful, but they also expand the blast radius. A demo should use placeholder names, placeholder emails, and synthetic examples unless the task explicitly requires real data and you have permission to use it. If a tool can reach a private inbox, calendar, repository, billing account, or publishing system, treat that tool as sensitive. Ask for a plan first, then approve the specific action. The mistake to avoid is confusing agent confidence with evidence. Codex may sound certain even when the work still needs inspection. Your job as the operator is to ask for proof in the form the work requires. For code, that might be tests, diffs, and browser screenshots. For content, it might be source notes, rendered assets, and final metadata. For automation, it might be the schedule, the approval gate, and the draft payload. The evidence summary is how you turn a conversation into a reviewable handoff. Here's the operator habit. Let Codex act, but make the action inspectable. A good prompt says what is allowed, what is forbidden, and what evidence you expect at the end. A good review checks the files, commands, tests, screenshots, links, and risks. This is how you move from casual prompting to controlled operation. You are not slowing the agent down, you are giving it rails. Your practice exercise, take any Codex output and ask for an evidence summary. Ask for the workspace, changed files, commands run, tests run, screenshots captured, external actions avoided, and remaining risks. Then decide whether you would accept the work, ask for a fix, or keep the approval gate closed. In the next episode, we connect the whole operator workflow from research to publishing